Hi, as you can see today it's a package day. This package is from Southampton Lock Picking Club, so guys, thank you very much for sending it to me, and thanks to Barry, their coordinator. So I have no idea what is inside this package, so yeah, we'll try to figure it together. I know that they're sending like stickers usually on their in their packages, and I think like keychain. It's a really nice keychain from that they're sending it. So yeah, let's yeah, I start with the knife, but I end up ripping it package. I don't know what is this. Oh, this is the yeah, this is the pretty nice paper. So yeah, it's a place, dear suspects, please find and close some super challenge lock and stock locks, ace padlock. Yeah, oh, it's going to be my first ace padlock. Yeah, sticker and keychain. Yeah, that's the great stuff. Also, we will really like to extend our thanks to you for the great package you recently sent to us, to all of us. So yeah, I think they already had a package, but they will probably open it soon, or maybe it's going to be like this package and their package together. Like, I don't know. Keep up with all the fantastic work you're doing, your awesome channel, and we're greatly appreciate your videos along with your awesome contributions both to ourselves as well as the wide locksport community. With all our kind regards and thanks, all at Southampton Lock Picking Club. Guys, thank you for the letter. Thank you for the kind words. It's a. I want to put the letters somehow here. Or like here. They have really fantastic logo, and it's a big box. I hope you're going to like the package that I sent to you. The ace padlock is like, it's going to be my first ace padlock. I think this is, yeah, finally. Oh, it's tightly packed. I noticed that like there is something here. I don't know how to put things that cover like this, side piece. I think this is the keychain. Yeah, they really have a fantastic logo. I really like the logo, and the sticker, awesome. And here's the keychain. Oh, I got a different one, different plastic, but it's an awesome keychain. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Let's now the something heavy. It's big. Let's guess, padlock. Yeah, I think it's a padlock. I'm trying not to drop the, yeah, that's the ace padlock. Awesome. It's saying stock 50mm ace padlock. Awesome padlock. I think I can, the cord's removable. Yeah, it's yellow style. It's a very heavy lock. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. It's my first ace padlock. I can see another padlock here. I think it's black spore, something like that. Here's the keyway. I never heard black. black spore padlock. Never heard about this padlock. I have no idea. It's awesome with a protective cover from the shackle. Yeah, it's a heavy padlock. Again, the second heavy padlock. So okay, I don't want to drop anything. That's paper. So decode me. That's a 4-wheel combination lock. Let's check 000. I just wanted to check. No, of course it's not. The brand is Antler. Never heard about this, but it's pretty tiny and interesting, like long, small combination padlock. Very nice. I think there is a code if site is needed. I hope I will not need the code, but that's awesome. So next one. Oh, this is keep 2 locks and 1 lock and 1 padlock. This is like every lock that I got from this package is like never heard. I heard about Ace but never picked. This is the first one, and this is the again first lock that I hope this is a challenge lock. Blame Bill Bacardi for beating. Oh, blame Bill Bacardi for the beating. Yeah, of course, Bill Bacardi has a fantastic beating. Number 12, Dexter Dilemma, Crank, 25th of April 2018. Oh, awesome beating. Oh, fantastic. Like long pin, short pin, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth pin or sixth pin is pretty short. And it's working smoothly. So that's a fantastic challenge lock. I don't remember that I seen someone picking this, but I will. That's good because I will not. Yeah, I will not. I will not know what is. I really don't know what is inside. This is like next is lockout tagout zinc recycle lock, eco-friendly safety padlock made from 70% recycled material. Ooh. Oh, this is the first one, like first time seeing recycled padlock. Oh, yellow one, zinc. Let me see the keyway, yellow style keyway. Check the beading. It's okay beading. Yeah, there is high lows. Duck. Oh, this is a challenge lock. YNG Zinger by Bearsback. Oh, Bearsback, no, not cuttable. This is Abus, not cuttable. Challenge lock. Very interesting. And Bearsback is making a really nice challenge locks. How is it not cuttable? Probably he removed the plastic and oh, fantastic. I got Bearsback one of his challenge lock. I think one anniversary challenge lock. It was like fantastic pins and it was yeah, give me a lot of trouble. So challenge lock, no keys. Oh, there is no key for this one. It's Weisspick. Yeah, awesome card from Weisspick. No key, Weisspick and lock. Here's the information. Number 18. So let me put it here. I saw grub screws 1 2 3 4 5. Awesome. Yeah, I pick all my challenge locks, so this is fantastic. I have now 1 2 3 challenge locks, so that's fantastic. And that's the packaging. So it was, yeah, thanks guys, thank you all for all the fantastic locks that you send it to me. I will enjoy every one of the locks and the keychain. So it's my couple of them, my first lock that I will ever pick. Ace, this is like first black spore, and I think antler, zinc, and two other challenge locks. Guys, thank you very much for sending this lock to me. I really appreciate it. And thanks to all the members that are involved in the Southampton Lock Picking Club. And thanks to Barry for arranging this, their coordinator. And guys, go check their channel. They have a fantastic channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice picking, and bye bye.